Hey everybody, it's David coming to you today from Batu Caves, a little north of Kuala Lumpur. I wish I had a chance to go through all the history of Batu Caves with you, but suffice it to say, there was somebody who found this, they were impressed with it, and they built a temple right here on the site. If you're looking behind me, you see 272 stairs. I'm going to be walking up in a minute. And so I thought I would do this video before that, or I wouldn't probably be able to do this video. All right, so MSOM 602 Servant Leadership, Module 6. This week we're talking in Chapter 14 about servant leadership. It's taken us a while to get to this topic, but we're finally here. And so we're going to be introducing you to the concept of servant leadership, the definition of servant leadership. And then in the next chapter, Chapter 15, we're going to be talking about leadership point of view. Before I get into the assignments this week, my daughter's here filming me, and so I thought I would give her a chance to kind of pan around so you can see a little bit about Batu Caves, all right? All right, got a monkey at my feet. Waiting for me to do something. All right, the discussion board this week asks you to compare and contrast leadership with servant leadership. And so when you do that, I want to make sure that you define both of those terms. Remember, you have to define before you apply, and particularly when you're comparing and contrasting two different things. So that's your discussion board this week. Your assignment talks about leadership point of view. Leadership point of view is that lens through which you view a particular topic, and in this topic, of course, is leadership. And so I'm asking you to define leadership, but also look at your point of view both from, or actually three different ways. Look at it from a personal perspective, from a professional perspective, and then from a spiritual perspective. Who are those people that really influenced you over the years in that topic, in those particular disciplines, all right? That's the assignment. And then the memo exercise this week is about servant leadership. We're saying that your team, your organization, your employees are going to be moving to a servant leadership model. And so I'm asking you to write that memo to them explaining what servant leadership is, how you're going to implement it, and then why it's important to them. Remember, if you don't define it for them, they're going to define it for themselves, and many times you're not going to be able to connect in those areas. All right? Well, again, hope you're having a great time. I'm 100% accessible, so if you need me, make sure you contact me. All right? Take care.